So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the CapCut export error. So the first thing you want to do is go to CapCut's app on your device. You can see it looking like this. Once you're on here, you can see some of the things I've added, like adjustment and a voiceover, some other video as well. So on here, you will want to go to export. Now, if it's bugging, if it's taking a lot of time and you're starting to think there might be a problem, and there may be a problem or an export error, you will need to go to menu. And on here, you can see the options file, and you can see here export. If you wish to do something with the file, like exporting it, you can do it through here. You can also go to here and click it, but on here, go to settings. And on here, you can see draft, edit, performance, general. And on here, you can see under performance, speed up hardware encoding, turn that off, since it's no use in speeding up if it's not doing the job correctly. And through there, you can even speed up hardware decoding, turn that off as well. If you don't have an issue anymore, it will be because of that. You can see some other options on here, and make sure to click on save, so all of your adjustments you've made will be saved for even future projects that may encounter an error or two while you're trying to export this file. So that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.